Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to transfer all Google Photos to another Gmail account using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for photos.google.com. Now just go ahead and log in your account. Okay. And after that, just go ahead and choose the photos that you want to transfer. Okay, so now after you selected all of the photos, just go ahead and click on the share button at the upper right side of your screen. Now you want to click on create link. Again, click on create link and copy. So now just go ahead and open a new tab and paste the link right here. So click on enter. Okay. So now I want you to do is to click on your profile at the upper right corner of your screen beside the Google Apps option. So now just go ahead and choose the account where you want to transfer all of your photos. Okay. So now just go ahead and click on the Save Photos option at the upper right side of your screen. And once you've clicked on that, all of these photos will be saved on this account. Okay. And what you can also do is to click on the join button here at the upper left side of your screen. And now the second account that you have can have the access on this album. Okay, so that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.